What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Matic, Polygon, as well as Ethereum. Currently, we're sitting at $1.91. We're down about 0.4 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 12.89 billion, 24-hour volume 920 million. All out of water. All right, guys, let's hop into it. If you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto trading app. Recently partnered with Matt Damon, incredible commercial. They also are the world's fastest crypto trading app. They have their incredible Visa card, and they've also just partnered with Twitch, and their coin Crow has been soaring up 32%. Absolutely beautiful. You get $25 in Crow just for signing up through my referral. So let's hop into Matic, guys. So we broke down from our first buy zone here at 196. I have been talking about this double top pattern. We have a little bit of a bear flag and we've broken down. So your target from that bear flag could bring Matic down here pretty close to our next buy zone, which is coming in at 181. So if you entered at 196, you come down to 181. Now it is a buy zone, guys, so use your own discretion. Sometimes it's good to enter a little bit higher at 182, 183 if you're seeing signs of a bounce. And once you're triggered into the next buy zone, it brings your average price down to about 188. You ride the slingshot back up. If the price keeps dropping, your average price continues to come down and you get ready to ride the bounce back to the upside. So do target 181 as your next level of support here. If we break this double top, I have been talking about is coming down to 159 if that were to play out here, as it lines up with the golden ratio, which is coming in about 158, 159. We also have our neckline from this inverse head and shoulders, this massive pattern. So that could also act as a level of support. You can see the 20 EMA is creeping up on the daily. We've broken out of this massive bull flag. So I think we could also have a good opportunity here to bounce off the 20 EMA. But if we continue to hit resistance on the 0.786 here, that's when we can see that correction. If we lose the EMAs, watch the golden ratio. Could give you an incredible opportunity to enter Matic and ride the bounce up to all-time highs for Matic, which is coming in right around 270. So let's jump into Ethereum. So we can see here on the 4-hour for ETH, we broke down from our double top. We had a bit of a throwback, but we've created a descending triangle, your level of resistance, your level of support. So if we do break down from our descending triangle, it's basically the same target here. Could bring ETH down to about 4284. We also have the 55 EMA, and that can also give us an opportunity to bounce. As you can see here, we got overextended. We came back down to the 55 and we bounce. But if we begin to lose our all-time high, we break below it, that's when we can come back down to this trend line of resistance from this inverse head and shoulders cup and handle pattern at 3981. And the worst case scenario is we may go through a bit of an ABC correction where we come down here, we bounce off support, we hit resistance once again, and we come all the way back down to 3605. I think that's worst case scenario. But for that to play out, I do think Bitcoin would have to lose our level of support from our descending broadening wedge, lose 58K and come all the way back down to about 54K. I don't anticipate it. However, guys, we're hitting a major trend level of resistance that we've tested here multiple times. Resistance, resistance, resistance. And we lost this level of support here from our ascending triangle. I know this is getting a bit confusing here. So if we lose this trend line of resistance, I would target 58K for Bitcoin. We need to bounce relatively soon, in my opinion. However, we are going into the weekend, and the weekends tend to be a little bit dumpy. Not always, guys, but there's lower trading volume, and you'll see a lot of sell-offs occur over the weekend. All right, guys, let's finish off the video here with Matic. We're going to finish it off on the 1-hour time frame. So if we continue to hit resistance under our bull flag, your target is 181, which is our next buy zone. The beautiful thing about the DCA strategy is you want price to come down because you get triggered into more of your buy zones, allowing you to get into the trade with more equity and ride the slingshot back up. If we can come up and break this resistance at 196, that's when we can head back up to our previous all-time high, coming in at about 220 for Matic. And we have our bull run targets here. We have the 1.272 at 405 and the 1.618 at 567, which lines up with our Elliott wave theory here for Matic. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Quick shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. That's it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Much love. Take care.